honestly wish the lighting in this room was better, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl BD. I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I'm looking cute. Got braids done a week ago. Purr. I'm looking cute. On the agenda for today, we're going mini shopping. Can I say shopping? Okay, we're going to run some errands because I just have a few things that I want to get. It's a bit cloudy, yeah. I honestly hate this weather. It's dull, like it's just boring. But this is going to be my last video for vlogtober. I really tried to, post. I know I didn't post last week because yeah, I wasn't up to anything. But this weekend, yeah, I'm just gonna vlog the weekend and then we'll see where this takes us. So I'm looking cute. Oh, I need to put some earrings. I'm looking cute. I want to show you guys my outfit of the day. I'm actually wearing all black, as you all know. The top is from the Fix, pants the Fix as well. Yeah. So I'll show you guys my outfit of the day before I leave. Yeah, let me bounce. I'm actually so skeptical about the bag that I want, hey? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so these are the two options for the bags that I have. The first one is this one. The one I got from Shein. Yeah, love her. And then the second one is this one. You guys know I always carry this on my errands. I feel like it's very practical, but the problem right now is I can't fit my tripod in there. So this is so boring, but I would have loved to carry this because it's so simple and easy to carry. It can fit my phone and everything, but the tripod, I think I'm gonna take this one. I feel like this one is cute as well, but I don't know, man. I'm not sure. I'll see. Let me just.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sis. And when she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see.
Literally got off the taxi so that I could come to the Starbucks because it's cute. I mean, there is one way I'm going, but it's not as cute as this one. But yeah. Not bad.
I go fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
I literally almost dropped a perfume at Zara. My hands are shaking.
You don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt.
Guys, I'm back. I am extremely tired. Yo, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Yeah, we're gonna start with Dischem. So I first got bubble bath. Guys, if my energy seems low, I am so tired. Like, yo, the way it was so packed remind me never to go to the mall at the end of the month because what the hell. Like, got panty liners, some pads, cotton buds, okay, my lip therapy, of course, and I want to try this Dark and Lovely waterless cleanser. I saw a lot of my faves recommending it from Usni, Ona Oliphant, you know, the likes. Hopefully it's thebomb.com. The last thing that I got is Epsom salt. I thought that's it from Dischem. Then I went to Mr. Price. So I literally got like two things at Mr. Price. I got this hoodie, which was going for 100 rand. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. 100 from 179. This is how it looks. It's cute. I do feel like the material is a bit thin though, but I loved it. It's so cute. They had a green one, but the green one was just not giving, so I opted for the gray one. But yeah, this is how it looks. Cute. And I got it in a medium because I like my hoodies a bit, you know, big, and it's cropped as well. Then I got readers. Cute. Those were going for 60 rand. I just feel like readers make you look, you know, smart. They make you, I think they're quite cute. So that's it. That's what I got from Mr. Price. Like I told you guys, I didn't get much. And at Pep Home, I got, what is this? Oh, I got some dishwashing sponges. Yeah, these were like 10 rand. I got 3 things as well. Then I got like a vase. This was 30 rand. Stunning. And then I got the artificial flowers, of course. I actually wanted to get 2 bunches, but they only had, I wanted this one and green ones, but they only had these ones. So I opted just to get this bunch. I don't know where this is coming from, but yeah. So for now, I'm gonna have to work with this. But yeah, this is the whole situation that I'm gonna be having. I wanted a green one so that I can edit here as well. Don't know where this is coming from, but they didn't have like a cute green plant, not a plant, artificial flowers. So I'm gonna check that out at my nearest Pep Home. This was 35 rand and this was 30 rand. Cute. The last but not least, guys, I almost dropped a perfume at Zara. Was I not shaking? Yo, my hands were like, literally it fell out of my hand. The next thing I had it in like under my armpits. Yo. Anyway, the moment of truth. This is my favorite. This was the most expensive thing that I got, but I'm in love. At least, you know, if I don't have money for grocery, at least I'm gonna be smelling nice, you know. So guys, this is stunning. So this is a perfume and a body mist. Stunning. Those retails for 340. I initially just wanted the perfume, but the perfume was 300, and I just saw it's better to get the body mist as well for, I mean, for 40 rand extra. So let's unbox. This ribbon is so nice. I don't want to throw it away. I'm not gonna throw it away. Like, am I the only person who doesn't throw away like cute things? I don't think I'm the only one. I literally okay, let's unbox together. Okay, I hope this is the one that I got. Guys, I love it. Yo. Okay. She's stunning. Oh, and she smells amazing. This is how she looks. The body mist is how many mils? It's 20 mils, so I can have this in my bag. I hope you guys can see me. Okay, so I can have this in my bag and, you know, at home. But it's stunning. Like, oh my god, I love it. Oh, it smells amazing. I can't explain how it smells, but it smells amazing. Oh god. And the actual perfume, she looks so cute. Love her. So yeah guys, that's everything that I got. I told you guys this is not going to be like a big shopping spree, but I really wanted to get perfume and a few things that I actually really need. So yeah guys, this was a day in my life shopping vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time on this channel. And yeah, this is my last vlog for October. See you in November. I really hope that I'm gonna keep the consistency, but hey, we'll see. I can't promise. I don't want to promise, but yeah guys, let me indulge and rest. I am so tired. I am like, my legs are like failing me. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.